welcome everyone to another video where we are sharing a good news which has come in the year 2020. Yes, okay, I know that 2020 has been a rough patch for a lot of us. Okay, we have not got to know, a lot of good news. In fact, more of the sad news or bad news is there around us, all negativity around us. So yes, with that we get to know that yes, there is some good things happening. Okay, some good news coming up, and that too with regards to the placements. Okay, with regards to the placements, and that is for the non-IIM colleges. Okay, and let me set the base. Okay, let me give you the clarity of what this information is all about. Understand, guys, obviously there are certain premium colleges, okay, which involves the IIMs. Okay, and then after IIMs there are a lot of other premium colleges like FMS or IAFT or SPJN. But this information is not about those premium colleges. This is about the other colleges which comes after, you can say, the top 50 colleges in our country. Over there also we see that the placement has got highest. Okay, now that is a big deal. We know that IIMs or SPJs and the other top colleges like NMIMS, they have got a history of good placements. If they reach to a good figures in terms of placement in 2020, probably that is not going to be a big news. But the big news is this, that colleges which were not there in the top 20 list, also top 50 list also, okay, those colleges have actually reached a highest placement figure which they have not done in the past 8 years. And yes, that is a big news, and I'm going to share the details of this, okay, in this particular video. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end so that you understand that what this piece of information is all about. So before I go ahead, okay, quick reminder that please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay, because we have free lectures coming up here. Every day, 8 p.m., we have a free lecture coming up on our YouTube channel. So you can definitely help from that. Okay, you can get guidance videos on our YouTube channel. And also you have MBA alerts and current affairs updates coming up on Instagram. So please do subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Now with this, okay, I'm just sharing the piece of information that I told. So yes, this is here. Okay, this is information that is shared by Mint. Okay, and if you see the news, the B school placements at 8-year high despite COVID disruptions. Okay, yes, if you look at the figures, so I'm telling you the exact figures now. So what exactly it is telling. So in the year 2018-19, B schools placed around 1,15,400 people. Okay, this is the figure that was reached in year 2018-19, and 2019-20 that increased. Okay, marginally increases there, but yes, there's definitely increase. Understand, ideally this figure should have reduced. If you look at the number of people giving CAT, there are 10,000 people who have, that has reduced. 10 to 15,000 people have reduced, okay, this year for going for CAT exam. But the placement figures for the non-IIM and the non-top 50 colleges, okay, it has increased marginally. If you go down, okay, that's what you see here. This data was from over hundreds of non-IMB schools. Okay, IIM, because of the brand equity, had already said that they had a good year of campus hiring. So that's what I'm saying. So the other top colleges, okay, not just IIM but FMS, SPGN, they did not have much of problem with regards to placements and all that, because obviously the brand value and the quality of students coming up there are really high. But then the other colleges also, the placement figures actually increased. If you see, you will see this piece of information here, that 2019-20 numbers are still highest since 2012. Okay, because AICT started capturing those hiring numbers from management colleges in a structured way. That means before 2012 we don't have the exact data, because AICT only started capturing since 2012, and since 2012 till 2020, this year is the year, okay, where the maximum number of students were placed, okay, by these B schools. And that definitely is a very good news, okay, and a very motivating news, okay, for the entire fraternity of B schools, to see that the placement scenario, students are still getting jobs, okay, and good numbers. Okay, that is also very important, and that is a piece of information that we wanted to share with you in this particular piece of news. Okay, so a big thumbs up, okay, from my side for all the B school aspirants, okay, for all the students who are currently pursuing MBA, that yes, okay, you should have all the confidence in the education that you're pursuing, in the degree that you're pursuing. Okay, because, okay, you see these numbers that even in the case of COVID-19 situation, okay, the placements at B schools is not affected much. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do share it with your friends, okay, and do like the video if you like this piece of information. Thank you.